That's the first bit. Then I have closing, and somewhere in these stages I have assessments at any part of this lesson except for probably I do. Okay, what do we do in the opening? Well, chorus answers really. Yeah, interrelate with open stuff. What are the other ways of? What are the other ways of doing it?
Asking question based on the concept what we are going to teach.
Okay, can you give me an example?
Yeah.
What do you teach? So what can you open?
I can give an example of pizza.
Yeah.
I have a pizza. I have to divide the pizza into 4 parts.
Yeah.
4 friends are there. They want to eat one pizza. How will you divide?
Remember videos based on the topic we are going to teach.
What if you don't have video?
Explanation or the PPT. We can make the PPT on that topic.
You can write on the what your objective is. You are testing that, right? So, for example, math means everything is really clear. So, if my objective is students will be able to add unlike fractions, if that's my objective, what does my assessment look like? One of the assessment is add half plus 2/3, right? So that's my assessment, right? If my objective is students will be able to add unlike fractions, that's my assessment, isn't it?
Yes.
My I do is the teacher solving this question. That's it. That's what it is. A teacher showing the students how to solve this question. We do, you do. So opening, I do, we do, you do, and closing, right? If these are the 5 stages of your lesson plan, and this is the only place where you are talking, can it be like more than 20-30%? It can't. It shouldn't be like that. Okay, we do. What is that? Yes, ma'am. Yeah, like we are doing. But think about in this example, if the objective is students will be able to add unlike fractions, in I do, the teacher showed how to add them. So what do they do in the we do section?
Teacher can ask what will be the first step. As I explained by step, what is the first step to convert the unlike fraction to like, then we can add it.
Many other things. This is where CFUs are most used in we do. Because you really want to see whether your students know this, right? It can also be group work where students are working in groups and teachers are helping them out, right? It can also be, I don't know, like a present that you were doing in the class that day with the whole grammar stuff. It can be a game. But this is where the most evaluation happens. A lot of assessment stuff happening here as well. Is that use worksheets? Like we need to use more worksheets. So this is where you do, and worksheets doesn't have to always be a sheet. It can be just, and you have like smart boards everywhere, so you don't have to waste paper. It can just be on the board and them working on their own. You are not helping them at all, because this also works as data. Do your students know this concept? This is how you find out.